Welcome to the ApplyTexas application for Lee College. First, let's go to the ApplyTexas homepage. If you've never created an ApplyTexas profile or application, you need to click here. An email address can only be used one time in the ApplyTexas system, but you can create multiple applications using the same profile. If you have previously created an ApplyTexas profile, use your existing login information. This will take you to the account dashboard, My Profile. Filling in the profile will involve information you know, your name, your address, etc. Anything with the red asterisk symbol must have an answer. At the end of the profile, you will create a password to confirm it. Your email address and this password will be needed in the future if you want to log into your ApplyTexas account. You will need to prove you are not a robot and then click Save Profile. Now you're in your account dashboard. Once you save the profile, a screen similar to this one will appear. It will let you know your ApplyTexas username is your email address. The password you created will not be displayed, so be sure to remember it. There should be an option labeled Create a New Application Now. You will want to click on Create New Application Now. If you have an active ApplyTexas application for Lee College or any other college, it should appear in a chart on this screen. Most likely, this will not be the case. To apply to Lee College, you will select the Create a New 2-Year College Admissions application. This will take you to create a new application for admission. You will need to select your target college. You can use either of these drop-down menus to select Lee College as the school you want to attend. It is important to remember you can use this same system to apply to many colleges and universities in the state of Texas. Once you have selected Lee College as the school you want to attend, you will need to answer this question. For most students, the answer will be no. But if you will be taking high school classes at the same time as college, select yes. Select the term you would like to begin taking classes. If you are unsure when you would like to start, you should select the earliest term you may want to begin. Once your application is complete, you will be activated for the term you selected and the 3 following terms. This is where you will select the type of program you want to take here at Lee College. You have the option of selecting an academic or technical degree, or you can select a technical certificate. This is where you will select your major. If the major you select is not what you actually want to pursue, you can change your major once your application has been processed. This will take you to the application checklist. This page primarily lets you know what else will need to be completed on the application. All you should need to do is click Continue to My Application. Most of the page will already be filled in based on the profile information you submitted. Anything with this red asterisk symbol is required. Please double check the information is correct before moving on. They really want to make sure your name and date of birth are correct, so you will need to confirm here by checking the checkbox and then saving the page. If you are a high school graduate, you will want to click the blue button, circled below, to find your school. By doing this, it will fill in the needed school code. It is also important to select the month and year of your high school graduation. If you have a GED, you will skip the high school information completely and fill in the GED information. If you do not have a high school diploma or GED, you will need to put something in the high school information in order to move past this screen. Be sure to let admissions and records know that you do not have a high school diploma after they have processed the application. You can put something in to be able to select School Not Found and then put a far future graduation date. If you have previously attended any college, including Lee College, you will need to add that information here. Yes, for all previously attended colleges. Use the blue button to search. You do not necessarily have to put information in the hours earned or degree earned fields, but you will need to fill in through the field marked as attended to. If you have never attended a college, leave all fields blank and continue to the next page. This will take you to educational information. For each of these questions, answer to the best of your ability. Most individuals who have never attended a college or university will mark no on question number 1. For questions 2 and 3, choose what seems most appropriate for you from the choices in the drop-down menus. On this screen, you will simply answer yes or no to the question and then save to continue. The next question will be about residency. Click yes or no and save to continue to the next question. Additional residency information will be asked, and you will need to answer these questions accurately and then save and continue. Your answers here will determine if you need to answer additional residency questions. If that is needed, answer the questions and move on. For this screen and the next few screens, you just need to answer the questions or read the information and proceed. For this particular question, most students will mark no or no answer. If you are taking Lee College classes for both high school and college credit, mark yes. If you have already graduated high school or will not be graduating high school, simply put NA in this blank. If you are currently in high school, put the month and year you plan to graduate. This screen is for informational purposes. Please read it and acknowledge it by clicking the blue button. The screen is for informational purposes. Please read it and acknowledge it by clicking the blue button. The next question will be whether you wish to receive MyLC text message alerts. MyLC can send you vital information such as urgent messages regarding registration and financial aid. These messages are important and critical to your success. Select yes or no before moving on. This screen requires you to mark this item indicating you have read the above statement before you can proceed. Please mark any item that may apply to you. If none of these items apply to you, then mark the last item, none of the above. This screen is indicating you have completed the several preceding screens. Just mark the Save and Complete button to move on. This will take you to the certification and payment information. If you have not confirmed the email address you have used to create the ApplyTexas account, you will need to do so before proceeding. You can resend a verification email by marking the item above. If your email address is already verified, you should not see this screen. Once your email has been confirmed, this screen should appear. You will need to read and mark the 3 boxes shown in order to proceed. This is the last screen before submission of the application. Please note, once the application is submitted, you cannot change this specific application. If information in the application needs to be updated, it can typically be done once the application has been processed by Lee College. For instance, if you decide to change the major you selected for this application, you will be able to do so through your MyLC account once the application is processed by Lee College. This is the final screen that you'll see. This screen is indicating a successful submission of your Lee College application. It will take a day or so before the application is fully processed. Be on the lookout for an email from admissions@lee.edu indicating we have processed your application. That email should contain your Lee College ID number. You will quickly receive an email from ApplyTexas indicating that your application has been submitted, but you need to be looking for the email from admissions@lee.edu. The ID number indicated below is for this specific application. It is a good number to make note of in case there is an issue with the application itself, but this is not your Lee College ID number. You can log off at this point once your application is complete. We hope this information has been some help in completing your Lee College admissions application. Please know that we want to help. If you're experiencing difficulty with the admissions process, financial aid process, registration process, or any other aspect of becoming part of Lee College, please let us know. We have operators available through an online chat feature during our business hours who can assist in multiple areas. Please connect through our website if you need any additional assistance at www.lee.edu.